Place the separately recorded audio clip on the channel below the video, and make sure both the video and audio clips are selected by holding Shift and clicking on both files. Right-click on any of the files and choose the Synchronize option. The Synchronize Clips window will appear, giving you options of how you want to sync up the two clips. In this example, we'll choose audio, as it will sync the separate audio file to the native audio file recorded along with the video clip. Click OK. It sometimes takes a little while to process, but for good quality audio, the Synchronize function is normally fairly reliable. Sometimes there may be an issue and you'll have to sync the audio and video manually. To make this easier, look for similar patterns in the two audio waveforms. Sharp, short noises such as claps will appear as easily visible spikes in the waveform, and therefore are easy to quickly locate in the two clips and then manually synchronize. Without a mark such as this, you'll have to scroll through the video clip to find a certain point, such as the first word that someone says, then listen in the audio for the same point and manually sync them together on the timeline.